sa isa na namang video tutorial tungkol sa mga lessons ng Grade 7 Mathematics. So for today's lesson, we're going to discuss how to represent a set using Venn diagram. So let's have the example. So we have here given set U, or the universal set, with elements counting numbers from 1 to 10. And we have set A with elements even numbers from 1 to 10. And set B with elements counting numbers from 5 to 9. So how do we represent this kind of set? So the first thing you will do is to identify or determine what are the elements of the given set. So let's say we have the counting numbers from 1 to 10. So writing all the elements, we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So these are the elements of the counting numbers from 1 to 10. Next is set A. So the elements of set A are the even numbers from 1 to 10. So even numbers, those are the numbers that is divisible by 2. So let's start with 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And then the last one is the counting numbers from 5 to 9. So we have the elements 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So that is the first thing you will do if you're going to represent a set using the Venn diagram, lalo na kung hindi given yung mga elements. So ang una nyo gagawin ay i-identify or i-determine yung elements ng bawat set. And then the next thing you will do is to determine whether the set is a subset of the given set. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is on the universal set. So therefore we can say that set A is a subset of set U. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is also in the universal set. So therefore set B is also a subset of the universal set. So now we're going to represent the set using the Venn diagram. So the first thing you will do is to draw a rectangle. So this rectangle represents the universal set. So let us represent the universal set as set U. Then the next thing you will do is to determine how many subsets are there in the given. So in our given, we have two subsets, set A and set B. So before you draw two circles inside the rectangle, the first thing is identify whether there is an intersection of elements. Pag sinabing intersection, ito yung magkaparehas sa dalawang set. So tingnan natin yung set A at set B. So kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong magkaparehas na elements which is 6 and 8. So that means yung dalawang set natin, kapag ginawan natin ang Venn diagram, is mag-o-overlap. So ganito yung magiging itsura ng ating Venn diagram. So this is set A and this is set B. Now we have constructed the representation of the set. What we're going to do next is to put all the elements inside our illustration. So in putting all the elements, the first thing you will do is to put first the intersection of the sets. So again, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, nagkaroon ng intersection of sets ang set A and B with elements 6 and 8. So saan natin ilalagay yung 6 and 8? We're going to put it on the overlapping part of the circle A and B. So dito natin ilalagay yung 6, dito rin yung 8. And then, you can start whether A or B. Kahit saan kayo mag-start since nalagay na natin yung mga elements na meron sila parehas. So let's start with letter A or set A. So the elements of set A are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So since meron na tayong 6 and 8, what are we going to do is just list down all the elements na hindi pa natin nalilista. And those are 2, 4, and 10. Next is for set B. So we have the elements 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we have also here 6 and 8. So we're not going to include 6 and 8 in this part. Kasi nandito na siya. So ano na lang yung ilalagay natin? 5, 7, and 9. So now we have the representation of set A and set B. How about the universal set? So titignan natin yung lahat ng nasa loob ng set. And then, we're going to determine kung ano pa yung mga elements na hindi pa nakalagay dito sa dalawang bilog na nandito sa universal set. And those numbers or those elements are 1. So you can put it anywhere inside the rectangle but outside the circle. Next, 2, we have 2. 3, so 3. 4, we have 4 on set A. 5 on set B. 6 on set A and B. 7 on set B. 8 on set A and B. 9 on set B. And 10 on set A. So therefore, all the elements are all inside the rectangle. Therefore, this is the representation of this set. Thank you so much.